the system that nobody talks about. Before disease, there's dysfunction. Before dysfunction, there's stagnation, lymphatic stagnation. Doctors are trained to treat disease, heart failure, cancer, organ collapse. But what leads up to those? It starts quietly. No alarm, no symptoms. Just subtle shifts beneath the surface. Inflammations, toxins the body couldn't clear, cellular waste, and fluid buildup. And what clears all of that? Your lymphatic system. Your body's natural detox, drainage, and defense network. When lymph slow, toxins build, inflammation rises, and dysfunction begins long before diagnosis. So why isn't talked about? Because it's invisible. No blood test, no monitor, no machine. Until it stops working. It's time we start talking about it. It's time we support it before disease begins. At LODYana, we care for more than your skin. We care for your story, your glow, your healing.